Break 198. Topps Chrome Hobby. 4-box break. AC Milan going to Kyle N. Ajax going to Matthew S. Carlos got Monaco. Christian's got Atalanta. Alexander T with Atletico de Madrid. William has got Dortmund. Ryan's got the Young Boys. Christian's got Chelsea. Bruguet's got Matthew's got Bruguet. Cesar's back with Barcelona. Frank's got München. James got Milano. Luso's got Porto. Ernie's got Salzburg. Matthew's got Sheriff. Ricardo's got Juventus. James has got Liverpool, Lille, and City. Alexander I has United. Matthew P with Paris Saint-Germain. Ernie with Leipzig. Matthew P with Real Madrid. Sevilla going to William. Joe B with Sporting Club Portugal. Scott with Wolfsburg. And Villarreal for William. So here we go, guys. This is our first time opening up some Chrome.
This.
What? All the different numbers?
All the different variations.
Well, you're going to have to keep that up, my friend. All right, good luck, everybody. This is break 198. 4 boxes. 4 Topps Chrome.
Yeah, we got Hobby. We got Light. Light is scheduled for Sunday night. We'll have more for the week after. Hobby each night. Tonight, tomorrow, Sunday. And we'll have more.
All right, here we go, guys. Ooh, got a little fun stuff. Come on, man.
Styrofoam?
It is.
Styrofoam?
I got a little styrofoam. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, it drives me nuts.
You don't like the sound of it?
Mm-mm.
He said,
Good luck, everybody. If you're new, please like, follow, subscribe. Appreciate it. Hey, look, SCP. Man, this is hard to open. These are like really, whoever used this glue, they did not.
Only 4 cards, man.
I know, but like trying to get it to break like this part, like when it's so tight. There's no way we like it.
Josh, say something.
Help us out, Josh. Josh, we're here. So I don't understand what was the whole, did I miss the whole 10-second delay? What was that comment about? What does that mean?
He said he likes the 10-second delay.
But what about it?
I don't know.
How do you know there's a 10-second delay? To the reply or something? I don't know.
Maybe.
I don't know, Cal. I don't know what you meant by that, but you're welcome? I don't know what I should say there. Hopefully tomorrow we have even a better box of football.
Very expensive product, you guys.
Which one?
Football.
Yeah, for sure.
And I don't mean soccer. Very confusing.
Now you're confusing everybody.
Yeah.
All right, let's go, guys. Got some Chrome action. Here we go. Those are Lukaku. But here we have our first rookie. Nice. What is this, like a disco? What is this, number 2? It's not numbered.
I think it's just a refractor or sparkle refractor.
Sparkle refractor.
Sparkle.
Inacio for Club de Portugal.
What the hell?
Speckle? What do you see it?
Where? That makes sense?
Yeah, it's speckle.
Speckle.
Speckle refractor.
Speckle, not sparkle.
Yeah, well, you said sparkle. Sauvage. These are nice. Leao for Milan. Little chrome action. Very nice. We have a Jorge for Juventus, rookie. Perisic. Then we have a purple sparkle, I guess, or speckle for Borussia.
That should be numbered.
That is numbered to 250, 146 of 250.
That is the purple mini diamond refractor.
Jesus. Purple mini diamonds. It definitely looks like little mini diamonds, by the way.
Crazy.
And Seer Nauf. This is going to be interesting. This is really going to be interesting. What do we got? We got a nice insert here of A Drogba for Chelsea. Golazo. Is this like a short print? Do we know?
Could not tell you.
Golazo, Champions League. Drogba, Didier. We have also, this one's numbered, not. Liverpool, Tyler Morton, rookie.
Numbered not.
What is this called? This is going to be just a,
What do you need?
it's like purple, it's like two color, purple, orange.
Purple refract. No, it's not numbered?
No.
Jeez. Purple carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber?
Yep.
That looks cool. Man, these cards are beautiful. Tyler Morton. For real, though.
Base insert.
Oh, okay. Ansu Fati, Di Maria, Blanco. We have an Antonio Blanco rookie. We do have a silver of Ademi for Salzburg. Zlatan. We have a rookie of Scalvini for Atalanta. We have Jack Grealish. Once again, this is not numbered, so this is again a speckle. Who wants a little speckle action from City?
Crazy.
Yeah, these cards are very nice, though. Not gonna lie, they're very nice. We have I guess these are just silvers, right? Marcus Rashford, Chrome,
Yes,
silver, United.
It's refracted.
Cristiano Ronaldo. And what was it? Something chrome or
Carbon fiber.
no, it's a 125. 67 of 125.
125?
Yeah.
They're throwing all kinds of crazy numbers at me.
Sergey Gnabry to 125. Looks like almost like a brown or something.
Dude, I don't even see it.
67 of 125. He said, I don't even see it. Okay. João Felix. Halobah rookie and a Tonali silver chrome. Wow. The cardstock is really nice. It's heavy. Very well done. I'll make sure I didn't miss a rookie or
I
something.
don't see 125s, dude.
I didn't make it up.
I know. I believe you.
Rose gold, James said. Rose gold. Did you see that up there?
I do not.
Rose gold. 125. I take control F is what I would say.
Oh well.
Thanks, James.
Thank you.
Thank you for being my friend. Purple Star Ball or some shit. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, this is like, even though I've opened plenty of UEFA, this is like, these are nice, man. I don't want to mess anything up. Not going to miss any rookies or numbered cards, that's for sure, but still. This is nice. Let's see what this is, because this is to 25, and it is Kalulu. Wow, very nice. Pierre Kalulu for Kyle. Orange. That is sweet, man. Orange, chrome, Kalulu to 25. 19 of 25. Beautiful card, man. Congratulations, Kyle. Ah, sweet. He's got the Gavi with him. Awesome. I remember that night.
These are fat, man.
Huh?
These are fat.
They don't go into regular...
No, they do. They're fat. Fatter shit. So.
Do we need the 55s?
Might roll with that for you.
Wow, nice auto. Here we go. Keep going. It's a lot here. We have Pepe, Durami, a future star silver of Cole Palmer, Kunde, Inacio rookie, Genius, future star Anthony, Chrome, Alfonso, Rakitic, Sebastian Thill for Sheriff, and another Golazo Caio George, or for Juventus, rookie. They look like they should be rare, but they're not apparently.
No.
Christopher Scott. Person for Breguet. Mbappe for Paris Saint-Germain. That's a silver. A Mingueza for Barcelona. We have a silver Antonio Blanco for Real Madrid. Silver rookie. Ederson. Salah. We have a rookie of Moriba for Leipzig. A rookie of Lihaji. Mendes. And a Timo Werner for Chelsea. That is numbered to 150. 38 of 150. I'm assuming that's a blue.
Yep.
Blue chrome. Robert Lewandowski. Phil Foden. Tyler Morton rookie. A future star of Tonali. Zidane Iqbal from United. Pepe. Cristiano rookie. The silver chrome Koundé. Future star. All right, interesting first box as we get used to it. Good luck, everyone. And box number 2. Okay. What happened?
It's gonna be all you because my phone's dying.
No. So, do you need 55s?
Yeah.
Because they won't go in there?
No, for some of the numbered ones.
Okay. I may have some upstairs. Oh, jeez. All right, box 2, guys. Good luck, everybody.
Now you know what to expect.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's just the, like one looks like a cracked whatever, and now it's like, no, it's diamonds. What was it, cracked diamonds or something?
Mini diamonds.
Mini diamonds. This thing is so annoying. Alright, let's keep going. Numbering is off on cardboard and Beckett unless they fix the parallels. Oh, so he said the number. There you go. That would explain why we're flying in here with our thing in our hands. Like, what the hell? Check out, go check out behind me. There's some, in boxes, there's some top loaders. See if there's any 55s in there. They're like by the couch, under the couch, everywhere. Yeah. If you see 55s, grab them. If not, I know I have some upstairs. So what are we trying to pull here, guys? Besides the, I don't know, Messi, Ronaldo. What's the big chase card in the Chrome? Whoever's in chat. What do you guys, what am I looking for? Call out your teams, call out your players. By the way, we're rerunning all of this tomorrow night, same exact breaks. All right, here we go. Another Pepe. Did you find any or no?
No, it's all good.
Gvardiol Silver, rookie.
Not that many. We'll switch them on.
Haaland, got it. See, that's what I need. I need some direction. Scalvini. David for Lille, silver. Rybager. Okay, got it. Graylish. What we got here? Elliott. We got a Mecca. This is going to be a purple, I guess. Rookie to 250. 215 to 250 purple. Chrome. Cristiano. Zlatan. Let's see. We have a P3, Future Stars. They chase 2, just not as on. Okay, got it. Halaba. Chasing Glory. Yusuf Demir for Barcelona insert. Nice little insert rookie. Ezolazuli for Barcelona. And again with the diamond. Some kind of purple cracked diamond pieces. Antonio Blanco for Real Madrid to 250. 53 of 250. Am I right with the purple diamond pieces?
Mini diamond. Yeah.
Mini diamonds. Antonio Blanco.
Pieces.
Susic. Thel. Diaz Silver for City.
They're nice cards, man.
They're very nice cards. Now I understand the draw. Lukaku. Reece James Silver. Savage rookie. Tony. And we have a Ferran Torres for City. Silver auto. Ferran Torres. Non-rookie for City. James. James. So you got a Ferran Torres auto. And Perisic. And then you have a Camavinga insert. So we're looking for Pulisic, Mount, David, Rabiger, Haaland. All right, good. Okay. Ferran Torres. I'm going to go grab some from upstairs.
Fine. There's not that many, so we'll have to switch them out.
Mm.
They're a little loose, you know?
As long as you're okay, I'm okay. Everybody's okay. Because we're opening Chrome Tops UEFA Champions League. What's the next big product, huh? Is it going to be World Cup? Is that going to be the big chase after this?
Hey, are you guys interested in Obsidian Soccer?
Oh, yeah, Obsidian. Anybody want some Obsidian Soccer?
We can probably get our hands on that next week.
Yeah, Obsidian Soccer. I forgot about that. It was Obsidian Football that just came out, too. Okay, here we go. Richards. We have a Botman. Go. Cristiano Ronaldo Chasing Glory insert from Manchester United. We have a Ugarte. Golazo Lukaku. Balotore. A Joshua Kimmich for München. That's going to be a speckle. A little speckle action. Now I'm going to enjoy this. Marquinhos. Golson Silver. Fati, Di Maria. Blanco, rookie. Javi Simons for Paris Saint-Germain insert. Jorge. Person. There's a Haaland. Golazo insert for Borussia. Haaland. Faden. This is going to be the Faden. Not numbered. We call this the carbon something.
Carbon
Scott
fiber.
rookie. We say footprint.
Carbon fiber. Purple carbon fiber.
Okay, sure. Another speckle of Taylor for the Ajax. Jamal Musiala, silver. At least it looks silver. Hope it's silver. Yep. Inacio. Durami. And, ooh, what is this? Silva to 225. Is this like a misprint or something? 81 of 225. Almost looks like one of those printing plates, but it's not. Just maybe a misprint.
Some of these I don't even like.
This is like a lime green or a. It's a green, not a sepia, but something. James, any idea? Carbon footprint. LOL. Josh is laughing at me.
I don't even know, man. These are not on here.
This is weird. But hey, whatever. For Chelsea. Yeah, I don't think this is the right one, so Silva. It's a negative refractor. Oh, night vision. Boy, we're hearing everything. Night vision. I ain't got to get my night vision glasses or goggles to see this.
Cardboard's got to update their Chrome checklist.
Man, that checklist is way off. It does look like a night vision, though. I can go with that.
Did I click on the wrong checklist? Is that what it is?
Maybe.
I mean, shit.
He said this is a short print, though.
Yeah.
Night vision is a sick name, yeah. Silva for Chelsea.
That might be on the wrong checklist. It might have been user error all along.
He's in the wrong year. Wait, is that even soccer? Looking at
Football.
No, you're. It's what's it called? Cricket. Empty box.
So many mistakes. Oh, there it is.
Oh, here we go.
So many mistakes.
What is it called? Yeah, there's the rose that you didn't know.
Night vision. Yeah.
It's a night vision refractor.
Whoopsie.
That's okay, guys. This is his first time. The baseball break
is right after.
Is right after this. We're so,
like 15 minutes behind, brother.
Yeah, so not too bad.
Or is that Mike?
This is box 3 of 4, so it should be not too long, Mike.
He's warming up, so.
Well, you know, if I had the right checklist the whole time, it'd be so much easier, guys. Instead, he's looking at me like I'm a big dumb animal. Like, what do you mean out of 225? It's all right, guys. We love him. We love him. Really do. By the way, thank you guys for joining us. Sports Card Pandemic Friday night breaks. We're going to rerun this all over again tomorrow. Same breaks tomorrow. If you're new, please like, follow, subscribe. If you noticed, we are partnered up with Top Shelf Breaks as our breaking partner. Check them out. Oh, look, another night vision. Christopher, boy, I'm going to mess up that. Kunku for Leipzig. Another night vision at 225. So much for super short prints. At least I knew what it was. Vernet. Kunde, insert. Omar Richards, Ballatore, Sven Botman, Perisic, Silver, Tomas, rookie, Edoze, a Ansu Fati Speckle for Barcelona.
Speckle.
Yeah, it looks like that, James. A little Speckle Fati. I'm going to enjoy this. Christopher Scott, Silver rookie.
He's like, who wants a person?
Yeah, who wants a... Sabachu. Jordan Sabacha for the Young Boys. A Silver Rakitic. Gvardiol rookie. A Golazo for Vinny Jr. There's a Rabager rookie. Kierkegaard rookie. And our auto is David Alaba for Real Madrid. David Alaba. Anybody? Matthew P. If you're in the house. Who is David Alaba?
Who is this man?
Balde. And a Tonali insert. Talaba. Only are 5 legends, so they have only 6. Okay, got it. He said trash. No, he's all right. Defenders and goalies are like pitcher autos. That I know Josh hates pitchers. It's like no more pitchers. Let's get a 101. Is there a 101?
Yeah, it's a super fractor.
A super fractor?
Yeah.
Let's get a super fractor. Let's start off this Friday night. When I say start off, I mean we're in the middle. With a super fractor of like one of the guys that you guys mentioned before.
Way to play that one off.
I mean, what do you want me to, what do you want from me, man?
You guys don't. Like one of those guys.
Oh, Josh wants an Otani. All right, fair enough. Goes Pitchers suck except when I'm buying them. All right, here we go. Ugarte. For the love of somebody. Why are you messing with me today? Ooh, Nakai Silver rookie. You know what? I'm going to take the risk and turn it over. Legit. Benzema. Nice little, looks like a teal wave. Borussia, we have a Malin.
Aqua wave?
Is it Aqua to 199?
Yeah.
Aqua wave, 48 of 199. I was in the ballpark. For Borussia. Malin. It's nice looking. The other blue. Sucic. A future star of Di Catalare. Ezazuli. A Chasing Glory Nuno Mendes. Nakai. A silver Koki. Ooh, that looks cool. Sergio Busquets for Barcelona. That is not numbered.
I think that's Aqua Lava.
Aqua Lava. Look at that. It's Aqua Velva. Sergio Busquets, Barcelona.
Or
See?
Blue Lava. I think that's Aqua. That's not blue.
Aqua Velva. All right. Langa. We have a Edozie Speckle rookie. And a silver Niabri Delep. And a oh no, this is one of those cracked diamond pieces, Marquinhos to 125. That's gonna be, what was that? Rose red, ruby red, rose.
125?
Yeah. Or pink maybe. Could be pink actually. What do you got?
I have 150.
Pink mini diamonds. No, that's to 175. This is to 125. Are we on the wrong thing again?
Nope. Not
Well,
this time.
it doesn't look. I mean, it's pink-ish, but not really. Marquinhos.
The 125s are throwing me off, man.
I guess. Anyway. There you go, Paris Saint-Germain. Yes, sir, Chuck. Absolutely. We're going to split up the long video into 5 separate videos for you so you can just go to the break you want to find. We'll do that after all the breaks are done, though. All right, final box. Come on. Let's get that super fractor. Super fractor time. She's a break. We get banned if I sing too? You don't know.
YouTube might be like, sir, can't sing on your line.
What if I say it's like Tourette's? What are you going to do?
Terrible.
No? I mean, like, they don't. How do they know?
They don't.
Just term of service, the TOS, does this specifically say can't do that?
In the YouTube community.
The YouTube community?
The YouTube community.
Come on, super fractor, super fractor. Mold, it's rose gold black. Oh my god, I'm not even going to say the rest of that one. Love it. Rippin' sippin'. He said it's rose gold. Just love it. Rose gold. Rippin' sippin'. What are you sipping on? That's the question.
Yep.
I'm ripping, you're sipping, but what are you sipping on? What's the go-to, what's your poison? Here we go. Gavi rookie. De Bruyne. Ooh, do we have it's like a gold. Juan Cuadrado for Juventus. Not numbered. It's just a gold refractor, huh? Yeah. Not numbered.
Maybe. Remember? It looks like it.
Oh, he said it's water, bro. I gotta take a drink.
Orange.
That's orange. I think it's orange.
Orange is supposed to be.
Palmer. He says I gotta drink water. Taking a drug test. Malin, silver. Imby.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's exactly what he said. He goes water, bro, because I gotta take a drug test.
Ooh.
Jonathan David, rookie. Well, good luck with all that.
Yep.
Kalulu, that's going to be like a green wave, number to 99, 63 of 99.
Neon green.
Neon green wave. Kalulu's having a night. Milan. Gonsalves. There's a Pulisic. Bellingham.
You see how the numbers are a little fatter than the base?
Show me your fat anything. I don't know. What's wrong with you? Sydney is a Rabager. Chasing Glory. Meha. Scalvini rookie. Speckle. A silver Susic. Hannibal. A Gvardiol. This is going to be pink to 175. I know you're going to say it's fuchsia or something.
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah.
175 rookie pink. So yeah, I knew it. And a silver mecha to finish off that side. So we still have the auto coming, right? Come on, let's get a good auto. Let's get that super factor. Thank you again, guys, for joining us. Please like, follow, subscribe if you're new to Sports Card Pandemic on this Friday night. We will rerun this exactly as tonight. Same breaks, same bad time, same bad channel. Hopefully you guys can join us. Auctions are live. All right. Well, and, as soon as we're done with this, we'll be right back with 3 boxes of Gypsy Queen.
And then some mosaic.
And then Mosaic Soccer with our 200th break. What? 200. 200. That seems crazy. Almost impossible. Apparently we did. My man's looking for that auto. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just going to put half of them down so I don't drop them. Here we go. Mingueza, rookie. We have a Gavi Golazo.
That's cool.
That's very cool looking. We have a Lahaji rookie. A Mendes rookie. An Ederson Speckle for City. Robert Lewandowski. A Tyler Morton rookie. Ansu Fati. That's a silver. And a Terry. John Terry for Chelsea.
Gold lava?
Gold lava. Is there a gold lava?
Yep.
This is a gold lava, guys. Moriba. Cristiano. We have, again, this guy. Whoever's got Wolfsburg, you're going to get a lot of Lucases. This is to 75. 30 of 75. This is probably Blue Wave.
Blue wave, yeah.
Blue Wave to 75 Lucas. Start that rainbow. Iqbal. And a silver Guerrero. Rafael Guerrero. Get all that? All right, let's see. Come on. Which one's a short print? Oh my God, Josh, yeah. What was the short print?
The what?
Somebody said that's a short print.
The lava?
The John Terry. You already took it.
Did I?
Lukaku silver.
Yeah, the gold lava.
Oh, the gold lava. Yeah, okay. Mambimbi.
1 in every 256 packs.
Damn. Satriano. Gravenberch. Ooh, what we got here? Gravenberch. And the auto is for FC Internazionale Milano. Blue. Lautaro Martinez. Number 100 of 150. Lautaro Martinez for Milano. And that is James Lautaro Martinez. He's a F, so he's a forward. I don't know.
He's a
Gutierrez, Ademi, Cisco Neymar, and Kenneth Taylor. All right, guys, we'll recap. Nice cards. Now that I'm a little more used to it. What a lazy auto. I think you're probably right about that. All right, let's go.
These are
Numbered?
No, just careful with these.
Oh, yeah. Ederson, Speckle, Golazo, Gavi Golazo. Ray Bridger, insert. Susic, silver rookie. A gold refractor of Quadrado or orange. It's not numbered. Edozie, Speckle. Mendez, Nakai, silver rookie. A Ansu Fati, Speckle. Christopher Scott, silver. Oops. Speckle of Taylor. Kimmich, Speckle, Cristiano Ronaldo, Glory, insert. Yusuf Demir, insert. David, silver, rookie. Guardiola, silver, rookie. Blanco, silver, rookie. Golazo, Jorge. This is going to be that purple or that orange, purple lava, I guess. Not numbered. Morton, Grealish, Speckle, Ignacio, Speckle. Oh, thanks, Christian. Thanks for joining us, man. Hopefully you can join us tomorrow. Scalvini, Speckle. A pink Vardiol to 175. A Kalulu to 99. Lime green, or neon green, I should say, wave. Our Marquinhos, pink something to 125. Diamond pieces. This is the green lava, I believe, or teal lava. Here's the 199 Malin. Here's the Night Vision Refractors of Nuku. Faden, purple, something. Silver, Night Vision, Blanco, purple to 250. A Nauf, purple to 250. A Nabry to 125. Again, probably rose gold. Timo Werner to 150. Blue. A Meha, purple to 250, a blue Mehuff to 75. It's a blue wave. A John Terry short print, orange, and some autos. Lautaro Martinez, blue, numbered to 150. A David Alaba, silver, not numbered. Ferran Torres, silver, not numbered. And I'd say probably the hit of the night is this Pierre Kalulu, rookie to 25 auto. 19 of 25 orange. Like that the matches the jersey a little bit. All right. Thanks, guys, for your patience.